wondered how you can use Canva to generate your very own flyers just for free? If yes, then you've come to the right video, because in today's video, we'll be learning how we can use Canva to generate our very own flyers in just a matter of seconds. So without further ado, I'm Shafi from Web Creators, and let's get started. To create your flyer, first of all, you're going to go to the URL section and search for Canva flyers. If you haven't logged in, you better do, because in this first video of the playlist of Canva creators, you are going to learn a lot. So first of all, you're going to click on this option, the first one. Then it will take you to this page. As you can see, there are zillions of flyers over here. So as you can see, 20,000 templates. That's a lot, and lots of you to choose from. So you can scroll down to choose the one you like. For example, I like this one. I'm going to choose this, or you can just simply create one from scratch from here. But I don't want to do that, so I'll just stick with the template one. Click on this one. Click on Customize Template. This way you can choose any template you like. Now, as you can see, our design has been loaded. Now, if you want to change anything, and like, for example, let's say a name. Now is turning 12, or you can say 1. Yeah, that would be good. And then you can change even the photos if you like. For example, you can go to elements and search for astronaut. And click enter. Click on graphics and choose the one you like. I like this one, so I'll just choose it and paste it where I like. As you can see, our very own flyer has been created. This way you can create any type of flyer you want. So that's all for today, guys. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe, and click on the notification bell. Bye.